What you got there? What you got in there? She says it's a Park Tool PCS-10.2 stand. It's a repair stand, a folding, collapsing repair stand for our trailer so that we can work on the bicycle outside of the trailer without everything getting in the dirt. Okay folks, we have here the Park Tool PCS-10.2 home mechanic repair stand. And we're going to do a little unboxing. This cost $229. Arm and leg. Sorry about the noise, the freeway's right there. I know it's loud, I apologize. That's how we do things on this channel. So let's see what you get here. Got a head tube here. There's a lot to this. Bearings, levers, wrenches for assembly instructions. Tool tray. Looks like we got like a head tube type deal here. This will probably go like this. There's the rest of it. Well, there's some in here too, so let's see. Looks like a tripod here. So before we go ahead and dig into that, let's unplug this. Pretty nice. So let's see here. Quick release levers. Hardware. So what I'm going to do is I am going to go ahead and read through the instruction manual here, because you always do that anytime you build anything. And I'm going to slap this puppy together and I will get back to you all. Let's see, we got some 1, 2, 3, 4-page instruction manual there. And so I'm going to get rid of all this trash and I'm going to go ahead and assemble the stand, and then I will throw my bicycle in the stand and I'll be right back to you guys. There it is, guys. The Park Tool PCS-10.2. Seems pretty stable. I can pedal my bike while it's up here. Wiggles a little bit, but it ain't going nowhere. I can switch through my gears while I'm pedaling, checking out my drivetrain, drop wheels, work on the brakes. Can work on the stem while it's all up in the air, get all this cleaned out, fix all that. All the angles are adjustable. I got a tool tray here. I got a little bearing catcher over here. Seems to work out all right. Nice and strong. Should be portable. Let's see, I'm gonna go ahead and drop the bike out of here and I'll break it down and we'll see how small it gets, because I'm gonna throw it in my little trailer for portability along with my toolbox. So should be able to take this all up onto the mountain somewhere and have a good day of bicycle riding with my tools and my stand and everything. But let me drop the bike out of here and I'll see how small it packs down. Yeah, that's definitely an effective workstation there. I'm about halfway done stripping my stripping the front end down here. This is definitely an effective system. What do you think, peeps? It's okay, you? Yeah. Good girl. Nice workshop. Guys, it's official. I got rid of my handlebar clicking and my headset feels nice and solid. My front end is all rebuilt and it's all thanks to the Park Tool PCS-10.2 repair stand. Definitely a lifesaver. Makes things really easy. Just have a bunch of Allen wrenches chilling right there. A few things on a rag underneath it. Got the bike all squared away. Everything is nice and tight. It'll loosen up over time. I got to actually do the rear end of the bicycle now. I just did the pedals, but I think I might have to do the cranks or something. There's a little bit of noise coming from down here, but I'll figure that out. But the Park Tool PCS-10.2 stand is going to help me do it. So works great. Highly recommend it.